Buddy, remember to brush your teeth before you go to bed.
Yes, Dad. My teeth seem fine. I'll just get brushing tonight.
Your teeth do not look fine. Look.
Oh my God!
Now come on. I'll teach you how to brush your teeth properly and make it fun. Now, how long should you brush your teeth for?
2 minutes, twice a day.
That's right. And we floss it at least once a day, correct? You can't forget flossing. That's where all the bad guys like to hang out. Always keep a habit of flossing before brushing your teeth. A pea-sized amount of toothpaste is all you need. Ready to begin?
Let's kick it.
First, we start with the gums. You want to aim the toothbrush at a 45-degree angle to get the most out of your gums and teeth. Circular motions over each tooth is all you need. And make sure to be gentle. No need to go hard on your teeth. Next, we brush the outer parts of our teeth. Once again, circular motions for each tooth. Moving on to the chewing areas, brush this area in a back and forth motion. Next, we brush the inside of our teeth, going back to circular motions. Now we repeat on the bottom. Outer parts, chewing parts, and inner parts. Once you're done with your teeth, don't forget to brush your tongue. That helps to remove the stinky breath you've got in the mornings. And that's it. 2 minutes does feel like a long time though. You could use a timer to help you keep time. Or, to make brushing fun, you can try watching something or listening to music. Looking fresh.